students, in this module we will continue our topic causes of the first war of Indian independence. Earlier we have done with political causes. Next cause, social and religious causes. Responses to reform done by the British. The British believed that the Indian society had to be reformed. For this, with the support of English educated Indians, company stopped many evil practices. Laws were passed to stop the practice of sati and to encourage remarriage of widows. Although the reforms were for the benefit of Indians, but many Indians began to feel that the British were destroying their social customs and their traditional way of life. Laws that interfered with the religion and customs of the people. The Act of 1850 changed the Hindu law of property. It made conversion to Christianity easier. Any person who had converted to Christianity could take over his ancestral property, his family property. Fear of mass conversion to Christianity. The British policies created a sense of fear both among the Hindus and Muslims that their religion was in danger. Activities of Christian missionaries made people to believe that they would all be converted to Christianity. This belief united Indian people. There was a lot of anger against ill treatment of Indians by the British. For example, the Englishmen in India insult, humiliate, and even kill Indians. Every Indian was supposed to salute Englishmen in the streets. Indians were even not allowed to travel in the first class compartments in trains. They were refused promotion and the opportunities to apply for high post. All this united people against British Raj.